Hi. 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 I'm Jessica and welcome to my channel. Exciting. Yay. 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 I've been seeing a lot of these glass paintings on TikTok, Instagram, and I thought I'd take a stab at it. So for today's glass painting, I thought I would do one of my friend's favorite anime characters, Norman from The Promised Neverland. Ta-da! Before we start, here's a list of items I used to make this project. Some of these items are totally optional depending on your personal preference and what's accessible to you. Thank you so much for watching. I realized while editing that I never filmed an outro, so here it is. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun filming and editing this. If you have any questions or tips, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Yeah, this is exciting. 2021 Jessica making a YouTube video. Who would have thought that? But anyways, thank you so much again, and I'll see you hopefully next time. Bye.